Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everyone. Uh, I introduce myself. My name is Agus Masrohin, and our friend Nurzaidi Muhammad Daud, Professor Nurzaidi Muhammad Daud, and Mr. Ari Sriyanto. We have article and the title Strengthening the Character of the Nation of NU Student Through PPKN Learning at International Indonesia School. And today we will present about our research. Introduction. What attracts an student in Saudi Arabia is whether they still have a sense or love and nationalism toward their country. Where period of physical and mental growth reside in Saudi Arabia, how is the process of cultivating this character developing? This our target, our aim, what we want to get about this problem. The method, the study use qualitative method, while the research subject are Indonesian students who are studying at the Jeddah Indonesian School, RSEG. The study also use phenomenology research from a character education through PPKN subject. To reveal the research problem, use educational theory, Ministry of Education and Culture, education curriculum, and character concept. The study used primary data source and secondary data. According to Saifuddin, the primary data obtained from research subject in this case were the result of interview with school residents in Saudi Arabia. And now we want to talk about result and discussion. Our researcher tries to understand the strategy and strengthening the national character in PPKN learning training for NU students in Saudi Arabian school. Namely, first, identifying the value of religious nationalist character and analyzing the PPKN material with the issue of nationalism and the practice of its values. Secondly, the strategy of strengthening the national character and the implementation state of PPKN learning by first strengthening culture-based nationalism with scouting activities, dancing, dancing, cooking Indonesian dishes, and the love movement for Indonesia. Third, character evaluation is carried out by assessing the moral and attitude of an Indonesian student. PPKN education and identification of character values are expressed by educator as an important first step in the planning strategy to judge the competence of the national curriculum. So it is not surprising that schools are given the authority to use curriculum in accordance with the culture of the school vision and mission, but still within the NKRI system. Referring to the result of interview with 112 students, 49 1% strongly agree that they are not happy if there is religious conflict in Indonesia. They are very sad when there is conflict between religion. This given an indication that IPNU or EPPNO students who study in Jeddah have a love of peace between religion, tolerant and non-violent. The existence of religious character value SPPKN learning can provide reinforcement to the character of students in considering global character values that are opposite and not in according with religious norm. This what we found. 49.1%. Yeah, there's still love with Indonesian nation. Yeah, still uh, or have nationalism. Yeah, to their country. Okay, what we have find the next. Ibnu and Ibnu student who goes to school in Jeddah from variable love product made Indonesia. Uh, love product of from Indonesia or made in Indonesia of 57.1% related to pride Indonesian citizen who has many culture. Yeah, or as 64 students, yeah, who love domestic product. Yeah, 57.1%. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This love of domestic product and about proud Indonesian citizen whose many culture. How how much 75 student. 75 student from 111. Or 67% are very proud to Indonesian citizen. Another, based on data processing on the participant, it showed that out of 100 and 12 students, 16 students or 14.3% of them are enthusiastic about exploring 10.7% are active in Paskibra, 7.1% of students taking extracurricular silat, and the most are participating in scouting activities up to 62.5%. And this the most of extracurricular. From the finding, it can be explained that Indonesian culture has always been and continues to be done by students in Saudi Arabia. Conclusion: based on the data analysis, the researcher can conclude, firstly, identifying the value of national religious character of any student in Saudi Arabia is very good. This indication seems that they are said if there is religious conflict. In addition, they are very tolerant and open to different in religious culture. The PPKN learning method from the result of primary data analysis, they are less interested in PPKN material. Second, related to the strategy of strengthening the character of nation through PPKN learning as culture-based strengthening of nationalism with scouting, dancing, and cooking Indonesian dishes, XPLC scout activities which are actively participated by majority of NU students. Okay, thank you very much. That's what we have found of our article. Good luck.